In this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and appear offline on Steam. So I'm currently logged in from this account. As you can see, my friend, which is basically me, is showing up as online. All you need to do to appear offline is go to your Steam. Let me open this one up. And then hover over here where it says friends. Okay, here at the top. So you can click on this. And you see a bunch of options. Online, away, invisible, offline. So invisible mode is where you can basically go ahead and chat with people, but still appear offline. In offline mode, you cannot chat with people and you still also look offline. So if I go ahead and select invisible mode, this will change me to invisible mode, as you can see right here. And if I come here and I refresh this page, so let's see, I should appear offline. And there you go. It's really that easy and simple. You can, of course, go ahead and switch back anytime. Okay? There you go.